Hey guys.
Take a drink of water from Steve from Nerf Herder for letting us use his drums. We appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks. Appreciate
They
it.
emailed me the other day and they're like, hey, can we use your amps? And I emailed them back, but it didn't go through. So I feel real bad about that.
True story.
But then I emailed them on my personal Facebook, went through, no problem. It's too late at that point, they rented gear. Yeah, I'm sorry about that.
Do you want a cigarette?
Yeah, man.
Let me just give you one of these. Here you go. Do you want a cigarette? Anybody? Do you want one? Here. No, they're real.
No, they're real.
Here.
Yeah, take one.
Is it candy or jazz?
No, man, they're real. They're just real cigarettes, bro.
They're just called fake.
It's a new brand.
Anybody want one? No, keep it. It's yours. It's totally yours. Anybody else? I have like 3 more left. Well, 2 more because I want one too.
These astronauts are probably smoking up in space.
Here.
You can just let that thing float up and then catch it in your mouth.
For adults 18 and plus only. I know
Nah,
this is
man,
an
we're
all
breaking
ages
that
show.
rule. It's all ages tonight, right?
Adam, do you want one? No. Oh wait, I have one in my hand. I have 2 more. Does anybody want 2 cigarettes?
That's your only chance. Look, this guy back here.
Oh, sorry. The underage girl got one.
Careful, it's already lit. It's already lit, so don't burn yourself. Alright, we're gonna do another song called Smoking's Cool, because this shit's cool.
Hold on, let me just put this. Jimi Hendrix.
Eddie Van
That one don't say that, this one hurts. Right
Eddie
now.
Van Halen does that.
Oh,
But he shreds guitar really good.
Yeah, me too.
I really hate when people put their cigarettes in water.
Was that Janet Jackson thing? She's like, it's cool. It's the way you flick it.
We're endorsed.
Okay.
That's why I'm short.
We're endorsed by Camel, so.
Stunts your growth.
Anyways. Hey, you guys want to go to a pool party? Come closer. Come closer. Okay. Fill the gap. Okay. This song's called a pool party. This next one, it's about AOL.
Get your fucking discs out.
Yeah. Dial-up internet.
That was the thing. Can't use the phone.
It's on our new tape. We have a tape, you guys.
And we're selling everything really cheap because we're not really a band anymore. It's been 2 years.
Yeah, we're not really doing that many shows, but we have a bunch of tapes. So if you want to talk to us after the show, we'll be fucking surprised.
You can really wheel us down.
This one goes out to Joel. See, it's called Headlights.
And what happened? Saxo Rose over there. Same solo every song.
Are you guys here to see Fart Bar?
Yeah!
Yeah. A lot of Fart Bar shirts. You know, we're having a t-shirt sale.
We're in competition.
All t-shirts $5.
Or free.
Especially if you're an extra large. Because we got a lot of those. And we got every order gets a free tape. Free tape.
You have a cassette, right?
And we don't have buttons.
So those are free.
Buttons are free. You're free to make up your, just imagine it.
We used to have some at one point.
We did.
Not no more.
Yeah. We've been on an infinite hiatus. Well, a couple more songs. This is a good one. This is actually a new song.
It's pretty personal.
I'm thinking about doing a new band, and I just said, let's just do this song tonight. Try out my new material for my new band. It's actually what my friend David.
That's me.
He emails girls and he tries to get them to send naked pictures.
That was like in 2005, and it worked a lot. Okay, I emailed someone last night. Well, whatever.
Anyways, it's called I Make Mistakes.
I sure do.
Because it's obvious a mistake, right?
People really don't like good stories anyways.
Yeah, that's just the filler part anyways.
We want to thank Ramona for having us because no one else did. So she put us on here. Feels great.
Yeah.
Nerf
Oh,
Herder.
is anybody here to see Nerf Herder? Oh yeah, me too. They're a really good band.
We had a deep conversation earlier because I was named after David Lee Roth. And that's a legit story. I'll tell you what. My name's David Lee Hayden. Named after Diamond Dave. We used to have a David Lee Roth room. Just David Lee Roth.
Cool story, bro. Alright, we got 3 more songs. How much time do we have? We can play all the time.
15 minutes.
15 minutes? Fuck.
That's too long.
Okay, you guys. This next song is a sing-along. Yeah!
We'll teach you.
You guys want to do a sing-along? Yeah! Are you sure? Yeah! Okay, alright. Sorry. Okay, first word. It was 3 words. Pretty easy. First word is all. Let me just hear you say all. All! Perfect. Second word is the. Let me hear you say the. Smart. I feel like less people said the because the first one was so lame. But that's fine. The third word is where it gets a little tricky.
Wait, what was the first word?
All.
I had to think about it for a
And
second.
the second one's the. Third word is time, but you gotta say it like this. You gotta say it like this. Time. Now let me hear it. It's pretty good.
Probably the best I've ever heard.
It's pretty good, yeah. That's actually really good. Shit. Alright. As you might have guessed, this song's called All the Time. And you'll know when to go in because I'm gonna say, or I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go, and we're all gonna go, all the time. Let's just try it on the count of 3. I just want to try it so we know that we all got it. 1, 2, 3. All the absolutely perfect. That was really good.
Good.
Okay. So the song's called All the Time. It's easy. It goes like this. You'll know when to come in because of this. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, normally that would be our show ender, but then we found out we had 45 minutes to play. So we put 2 more songs on today. And I can't read it, it's too, we use a ballpoint pen. Okay. I can read the other questions, the bottoms were got smaller. This one's also on our new tape, which is free with any purchase. to say our goodbyes.
Fart Barf is up next.
Fart Barf's up
This
next.
guy's been wearing like Simpson t-shirts all fucking day, so I'm thinking Bart Simpson.
My shorts.
Fart Barf. It's coming.
Fart Barf. Fart Bart. No, Fart Barf. They're good.
You know, sometimes I speak too fast and shit comes out the wrong way.
One time, there's this song by this band we like called The Images, and the song's called Frustrations. And we were in the car, and he's like, he was telling Siri to play it, and he goes, play Frustrations. Frustrations. He doesn't know how to play Frustrations.
You know, it's really hard to talk sometimes.
This guy's my best friend. This guy's fucking stupid. Alright. Okay. The last song, and it's fitting to be our last song, because it's called I'm Never Coming Back.